Why would you become a truck dispatcher for a carrier if a carrier can dispatch his own loads? If dispatching trucks is very lucrative business opportunity, why doesn't everyone do it? If I wanted to become a truck dispatcher and dispatch other people's trucks, why don't I buy my own trucks and dispatch my own trucks? Before I jump in to answer those questions, let me give you the backstory. When I learned dispatching trucks, what I did, I made a mistake. I purchased my own truck. And then I hired a driver and then started dispatching my own truck. Life was good, business was growing, and then this is what happens. You decided to buy a second truck. This is exactly what I did. I bought my second truck, and then my third truck, and then my fourth truck. When I bought my fourth truck, something strange happened. I realized that the more trucks I have, the less money I make. And I was kind of confused about this. And I said, wait a minute, something is wrong. And when I was doing my own taxes, I was sitting with my CPA, and she advised me to downsize my business and focus on owner-operators. And this is what she meant. She said, sell your trucks, don't buy any more trucks, and sell your current trucks, focus on owner-operators. And for those of you who don't know owner-operators is a guy who has his own truck and trailer, and then he has his own authority. Authority meaning that he has his own MC and DOT number, and he is a carrier. And I did it exactly. I sold my trucks and I started focusing on owner-operators and growing the number of owner-operators. One day I was at the parking lot, what we call the truck terminal, where we park our trucks, and one of my owner-operators, he came from a trip. And I saw that he was approaching. He was very tired, and he said that I'm done. I'm very tired being away from my family and driving for long hours, and I really hated being away from my family for weeks or even months. And I said, what's your plan? And his plan is to become a truck dispatcher and dispatch other people's trucks like I did. Long story short, I taught him how to become a truck dispatcher. We spent about a couple of weeks, and now he has about like 20 trucks. He doesn't have any of his own trucks. He's dispatching other people's trucks. And he's very happy that he stays in the trucking industry because he loves trucking. But he's not driving anymore, but he's dispatching or offering his own dispatching services to owner-operators. And best part is, he's with his family. And then of course other owner-operators approached me with the same training, and then they asked me for training, but I was exhausted, teaching other people, but at the same time running a business. And I decided to create an online course and offer this dispatching program to the people who wanted to become a truck dispatchers. I started seeing people with different challenges. If you're a truck driver and you're tired driving long hours and being away from your family for weeks or even months, if you are a wife of an owner-operator or a family member of a truck driver and wanted to support family by providing your dispatching help to manage the business, that is a possibility. Perhaps you are an employee and you're tired working long hours and hate being away from your kids. Or if you hate your boss who is always monitoring your every move. If you hate the stress of dealing with the workload, with the colleagues and irate customers, then you are in the right place. What if this happens to you? Imagine if you no longer have to drive long hours over the road for weeks or even months and away from your family. Imagine if you can help your husband manage his trucking business by providing your dispatching skills. Imagine waking up in the morning, you don't have to go to the work that you hate going into in the first place. Imagine you do not have a boss who is always monitoring your every move. Let me briefly introduce myself. I'm Kamal. I'm a founder of dispatchtrucks.com, owner of the Prime Express LLC, and it's my passion to help people how to become truck dispatchers, specifically independent truck dispatchers, through my online courses and coaching programs. Let me introduce you to Independent Truck Dispatching Business Intensive. This course is about 15 modules, and each module has about 10 lectures, pre-recorded lectures. And this program is 5-week long program. This course is legit, and this business opportunity is no different than other businesses out there. And please take it seriously. Maybe you're asking yourself, well, all this good, Kamal, but who's this for? This course is for truck drivers, owner-operators, for trucking companies who would love to expand their businesses into dispatching like I did, focusing on owner-operators. This course is for people who wanted to work from home and anybody who's interested in business or home-based business. So I personally invite you to join the course. If you're not 100% convinced yet, please take a look at what my current students are saying about the program.
Well, of course, to buy into to learn about the dispatching service. And when I contacted Kumara to get more information about what he has to offer, he responded to me and with detail about the course. But what caught my eye about Kamar, what caught my attention, he was persistent. He kept, asking me what was my...
Hi there, my name is Josh, and today I'm going to give you some feedback about Kamal's independent truck dispatching course and also his online one-on-one coaching sessions that I recently completed. First of all, I want to give Kamal an heartfelt 5-star review for the quality and thoroughness of his courses. Being a self-taught entrepreneur,
The most amazing part for me were those coaching sessions with Mr. Kamal. I always had a bunch of questions, and after those one-on-one, I was 100% confident about everything and more. I feel that I did an excellent investment in myself, so thank you, Mr. Kamal, for your help and for your patience.
So there you have it. What are you waiting for? Join the course now and let me help you to build your independent truck dispatching business.